Alright, so today I have this iPhone 7 Plus as featured in a previous video, and yeah, just did it right there. So it will boot up, and then after a couple minutes it will turn off. Also, it has a cracked screen. Now, I believe this could be a couple things, actually. One, I'm thinking that it could be the battery, but it also could be the screen itself, because I remember reading about how if you install the incorrect display, it will. Did it just turn off? What was that? Yeah, it just turned off. When I pressed on the display, huh? You know, let me just throw this new display on real quick and check it out. So it's not getting the proper suction that I would like, so I am going to get my fingernail under there and then get a guitar pick to, if I can try and get this in frame, to go around like this. Alright. Now, it appears to be off. Let's undo this, and now there aren't really any. Battery wasn't fully plugged in. That gives me a lot of hope. Let's actually just unplug the battery real quick, and then I'm gonna just carry on with the screen replacement, you see, and normally under normal circumstances, I wish I could get a better angle. That's shit. About there, maybe? So the thing about that is the client said, can I come and pick up the phone in 30 minutes? And now they handed this to me at the beginning of the day, and I just was doing other things that wasn't this, just because I was under the impression they would be coming back not so soon. But the real kicker is, they said they would be here in 30 minutes, 30 minutes ago. So I called them up, and they were like, yeah, I'll still be in the area for a moment. It would be really convenient if the phone could get repaired today. So I don't know how much longer they're going to be around for, but I'm just going to pop this out real quick. Yeah. Alright, so this is the new display. Alright, let's get this going. Let's just undo the home button cable, or the home button, not cable, just the home button itself, because it's, you know, cha-cha real smooth. Alright. That's off. Now let's get this screwdriver. So I probably already said this before, but I mean, currently in high school, and a good place to ditch class is the boiler room, which I basically have unlimited access to, unlike everyone else. And the thing is, no one else goes into that boiler room ever. And now the reason why I have unlimited access, unlike everyone else, is because you can literally just take a credit card and I believe the term is shimming the lock or slipping the lock. And it's real nice. Like, no one ever goes down there for any reason ever. Really nice. Also, some other notable places to ditch class. You can get underneath the stairwell. Pretty much anyone can. You just gotta like go around a gate. That's always, it's locked, but you can literally just hop over it. Like, it isn't even a tall gate or anything. You can just like go over it. You feel? Yeah. Okay. Let's get that going just like that. All right, and then what should we be doing here? I believe that's a proximity sensor or something. It's right there. We can just get that up real quick. Okay, so that brought the whole thing up, which I don't need that to come off, but I guess it will be coming off. All right. Let's actually try and remove that from there. If I can, I mean, if it would be so kind to do that, and then to do that, and we are home free. Okay. Now I can just, or actually it still needs to actually take out the home button and the back panel here. So this is just normal screws. Yes. I wish I could like, get a better camera angle, you know? All right. All right, let's get that out like there. That one's already out, and then let's get this one out right here. Okay. And other side. All right. And one more screw right here. I can already tell this is going to be a most entertaining video. Alright, so let me tell you about what I did in debate class today. So, we are doing something called public forum debate. And now public forum debate, it's probably my favorite thing we've actually done all year. Like, if I'm being honest. And if this can get through the thing, that would be real nice. Fine and dandy. Can't, it's like not going. Someone help me out here. Because there is a screw right there. Is that just a normal screw? It is just a normal screw. And it comes right out. Okay. So in my debate class, we were doing public forum, and we were debating if slides were better than swings, and I was assigned the position of, what was it? It was slides are, in fact, better than swings. And my main argument was you've either got or you haven't got style, okay? And I totally won. Like, wow. And that needs to come out. And to get that to happen, I am going to need something like this. Which, with this, I can get under there, and boom. And then I can just push that through there. Real smooth. All right. Here's the old display. We can just put it aside. Here's the new one. And now this is a different model, but it's still made by the same company, which I believe is Toshiba. Okay. Let's get that like that. If I could go right there. Okay, beautiful. Okay. Now let's put back on the back panel right here. Okay. Now let's get the screws in. Take this. Oh yeah, I didn't ever finish telling you about notable places to ditch class. So, my favorite place is the boiler room, because literally no one goes down there. And all my friends, like, hear the pipes and think someone's coming, like, when I'm down there with other people, so I'm usually down there, like, alone. Because, like, if they catch me down there, what are they gonna do? Tell me to not be there? Like, and I would just say, yeah, the door was just unlocked. I don't know what else to tell you. Like, yeah. I think it'd be actually fun to, like, get caught doing something, because, like, not to flex, but I've never been caught ditching class before. And I'd say I, like, ditch a class every once a month. I know that's pretty, like, bad, but it's, like, shitty classes, like advisement, where we literally just sit there and don't do anything. Like, I actually, call me a nerd, but I actually do want to learn, right? I'm not just gonna not go to class just because I think that is stupid. Yes. Alright, so that's all in. Now let's get the camera in. And all that good jazz. Alright, so it's oriented like this. Yeah. This, where does that go? Right there. Okay. Okay, that's all lined up like that. And this can go on like that, and then the speaker itself, it's like that, yes. My neck really hurts from, like, looking down. Yeah. Alright, now let's put this on like that. Let's get this screw, put it in right there. Alright, so what would be a good senior prank? Plain pumped up kicks over the intercom. That's what I want to do. I would definitely want to do that. It'd be most hilarious. And now the thing is, I know how the intercom system works, I just don't exactly know how to activate it, because it can be activated, I think, from any phone, well, any, like, office phone that's in the classrooms, and pretty much, I just, like, need to know how you would actually like activate it. And are these the weird screws, the tri-wing screws? Or are they the normal screws? Oh, fuck. Dropped it. Okay. These are the tri-wing screws. Okay, beautiful. It's not getting, like, picked up by my thing, so I'm just gonna, drop it in using some tweezers. Let's get that aligned in the tweezers. Alright, drop that in there. Screw that in. Let's try and magnetize that, then pick that up. Yeah, it just wasn't magnetized. So to magnetize a screwdriver, what you would do is rub it on the loudspeaker. What time is it? 7:30. Fuck. Okay. Let's do that. Let's do that. Hold on, there's one extra screw. What the fuck? It's where, huh? That never happens. This one right here. It's a normal Phillips. What the fuck? Where? Excuse me? Oh, yes. Okay. So, I was missing that screw. That one goes right there in the middle of the thing. And this one, I think, does not go there, but in fact goes over here. And then the Phillips goes right here. Yes. Cannot get it to work, though. Alright, there we go. Now I do not have any extra screws. How beautiful is that? Alright, so the battery's unplugged. Let's put this in like that, and I know you cannot see what I'm doing whatsoever, as you know. Fuck me, this is always like my least favorite part, plugging the things back in. Like, oh my god, can you just please get those in? Shit, dog. Oh my god. Come on. Fuck. Can I just go in? Okay, there we go. Nope. Yeah, you know why? Because there's like the plastic stuff, or the like insulating stuff inside the thing. Okay. Is there any in here? No. So let's plug this in. Oh, there we go. Beautiful. And then let's plug this in right there, and plug this in right there. Plug the battery in, and power it on. Boom. First try. Now, here, hopefully, I can do that. Okay. Oh, that's weird. Maybe it's this. Yeah. Okay, so it's actually properly reporting the battery now, 43%. I'm gonna call this good. Now I am gonna text him, but yeah. Yeah, hopefully it's like all good. So, I guess that's pretty much all for today. All that's left is the pentaloop screws, which is... Oh, wait, no. Damn, fuck. I'm forgetting something, and I'm not gonna say, but... No other plates, and so I guess it doesn't matter. Just make it harder for me in the future. Alright. Alright, I guess that's all for today. I will see you beautiful people next time, and that is just great.